Hi guys and welcome back. So I've just finished pitching the F10 Helium here, and it's time to peg out some of the guys. So I thought it'd be a really good opportunity to just have a little chat about pegging and a little helpful tip on how to push your pegs into the ground. So we've all been there. There's a lot of different ways to push a peg into the ground. Some prefer using their foot, which obviously puts too much pressure down, can potentially bend the peg. Some like to smack it with a rock, might damage your pegs that way, who knows. And some like to force it with a hand, which is obviously uncomfortable. So this is a little tip. It's a nice, easy way to force your pegs into the ground, and it stops it hurting your hand. It's less likely to damage the pegs, and it's nice and convenient as well. So let's have a quick look. So before we do it in the long grass where you can't see it, we'll just do it here where there's a little bit of space. So just grab some pegs. This works with a few different types of pegs as long as it's got a flat edge on it. Pegs going back in the pocket so we don't lose those. So you're going to grab 2 pegs out of your pack. You might already have some in your hand because you put in your pegs around the tent and you've got a few extra spare. You're going to push your first one into the ground at the desired angle, like so. Push it in until there's a bit of resistance, and then you're going to grab your second peg, pop it on top of the other peg, and use that as a nice firm surface to push down into the ground until that peg is in there securely. Like I said, it's a really quick tip, but it's nice and easy. It stops your hands hurting. You're less likely to damage your pegs this way as well because you're not putting as much force and you're putting it nice and evenly over the pegs. It's less likely to bend on its way in. I hope that was really useful, and if you've got any questions, head over to the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys.